हे सरकारूच स्कॅमांचे सरकार आसा। जमीन आनी नोकरे संदर्भातले घोटाळे ह्या वर्साचे सगळ्यात व्हड घोटाळे आसा। ह्या सरकारान मेरिटाक वालोर ना, काटार पास जाता ताकाच म्हत्व आसा म्हण विजय सरदेसाय उलयला। RDX गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
Government only is a scam a day government. This Pramod Sawant government is a scam a day government. Today's scam is what? Is what we have to check for. Yesterday's scam is cash for job. The madam is still oblivious. Nobody calls the madam. Cash for job is being hushed even with the help of the media, so that other diversions have been brought. The land grab scam is a scam involving the government, because in the commission of inquiry, Jadhav himself said that the terms of reference are not very clear as to what is the meaning of the word land grab. Secondly, the investigating officers, IOs, were constantly changed again and again, so as to kill the investigation. This is what not I am saying. This is what Mr. Jadhav, Justice Jadhav, is saying in the commission of inquiry. So it is very clear the major scams at the end of the year have been the cash for job scam and the land grab scam. The way Mr. Siddiqui, Suleiman Khan checked out of the custody, I don't know why the media is not asking the government in which custody is there a bed where you go, you switch off the button and you bindas, you check out. And the people who are becoming whistleblowers have been called to the police station. So this alone is symptomatic of the fact that this is a government of thieves, land grabbers, of dacoits, who are partners with these dacoits. BJP MLAs are meeting these accused in the cell, in custody. What happens to them? Why is CCTV not disclosing who has met whom? Why is the investigation not being done on that? You all are telling us stories about no, we are going to catch the fellow. How you know you will be able to catch him? How is the Chief Minister making these statements that police are almost able to catch him? So that means you left him. How are you aware that he is going to be caught? So Suleiman म्हणटा तो कोण खान आहा ताका आमी धरपाचे आसा म्हण तुमकां स्वप्नां कशी पडली म्हणजे तुमी ताका सोडला
8 दीस जाले अजून मेरेन
मेळना म्हणजे तो आसतलो जाल्यार डावट आहा आनी तो गेलो जाल्यार ताजे बरोबर इन्फॉर्मेशन आहा तें गेलें एक मनीस कॅश फॉर जॉब स्कॅमान मेलो काय मारलो कोणाक खबर सो ही खूब खबर आहा कितल्योच FIR रजिस्टर्ड जायना इन कॅश फॉर जॉब स्कॅम देर आर सो मेनी FIRs which are not being registered by the police. भायर सेटलमेंट करुया म्हणटात कसलो सेटलमेंट हातून एक हें जाता हांवें काल लिबरेशन डेक हांवें भाशण दिल्लें आहा प्रमोद सावंताच्या सरकारान मेरीट म्हणजे ताका व्हॅल्यू ना म्हळ्यार तूं 10वेच्या एग्जामीक पयलो यो 12वेच्या एग्जामीक पयलो यो आनी एग्जामीक हे जॉब घेवपाच्या एग्जामीक बस फेल जातलो आनी जो काटार पास जाला तो पास जातलो तोय काटारूच पास जाल्लो मुखेलमंत्री तो ते हातून कसलें तें पोस्टल बॅलेटाचेर जिखिल्लो मुखेलमंत्री देशान पयलो आसलो
ही केस CBIक दिली जाल्यार
ताणें सांगलां मरे एक्यूज जेन्ना सांगता की CBI कडेन दी जाल्यार आपूण येता म्हणून हाजेरूच कळपाचें म्हणटा CBI तांचीच हांव CBI बरी म्हणून म्हणना पूण तो म्हणटा हांव ताका वळखना सो म्हजो